Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So what's the biggest shape for a turtle? What will we draw first? Yeah, and what kind of shape would you use for the shell?
Semicircle.
Yeah, a semicircle. That can work. You could also draw, if you wanted, you can do a box if you want. So, just like that. Either one works. Okay, so what should we draw next? What's our second shape? Our middle shape?
The head?
Yeah, and what shape should we use for the head?
Circle.
Okay, that's a good idea. Let's draw a circle like this. Connect it like this. Okay, and this turtle, I'm gonna make this turtle more square just for fun. So we can draw a rectangle for the head, or a square for the head. Connect it like this. Okay, and then what are our smallest shapes? What's our last few shapes? What should we draw next?
Our small shape is the legs.
Yeah, and what shape should we use?
Rectangles.
Yep. Okay, so then let's add our details now. So let's add a triangle for the tail. And then we can add some eyes, and some mouths. Okay. This is a bonus, is you can change the shape of these. So sometimes you want to make them look more like characters. And to make them more look like characters, sometimes we want to have the head be the big shape. So you can start with a bigger head. And you can make a small body. You can make a small shell. But it's the same shapes, right? And then,
Arree?
Yep.
I have a question. If you were to do a baby turtle, what size, what would be the big thing on the baby turtle?
Yeah, so babies have big heads, remember? The mental model for a baby is like this. So this is starting to look more like a baby. I would make the head even bigger. And I would make the shell even smaller. And I make the legs fatter. Something like that, you know? You guys see how it's the same shapes though, right? It's basically the same thing. It's just different sizes. So you can play around with, when you're designing your story, you can play with different shapes. The last thing is just to add details. So, you know, turtles have patterns. So you can add a pattern onto your turtle. I thought this might be fun if we had a racing turtle. You can have a racing number. You can do number 1 or something. And then you can also put like glasses or binoculars on it. Maybe he has one of those racing caps. Now this is a racing turtle. There we go. It's pretty cute. I like it. Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.